Hi everyone, excuse me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. I wanted to come on here today to give a big thank you to people who have sent me some lovely, lovely mail. Some of this I just got today, and some of these Christmas cards, I know it's February, but our mail has been absolutely terrible. Our main post office hub is one of those that they decided to take out all our sorting machines and things out of, so our mail has been so bad that everyone in the neighborhood is just pitching a fit. It's gotten to the point where I had to go online and figure out how to pay my bills, some of them that I, get in the mail every month, but they weren't even coming until way past their due date. So, and my husband's not a fan of doing that, so he did get socked with a late charge for one of them, but I did manage to get mine that I had to do online. So anyway, I just want to come on here and, let everybody know that I did get your things here. Finally, some of these I've had for like a week or so, but that is just how far behind everything is here. So anyway, I don't want to give away anybody's addresses. Okay, so, and this one here is from Jane. She's from California. And she did apologize for this card being late. I bet you had no idea how late this card was going to be. But like I said, and it's been beat up too. But that's very pretty. Thank you so much. And this one here is from... Oh, this is cute. I did open some of these and already peek at them. Oh, that's so cute. Sorry, I was busy looking. This is from Joanne. She made this really cute card here. I love these little things. It says, Happy Holidays from my gnome to yours. Oh, that's so cute. She put a couple of those little snowflakes on there. He's so cute! Yes, we did have a nice Christmas. Very quiet Christmas. We all stayed home this year. I hope you had a wonderful one too. Hopefully next year will be a little more festive. Alright, now let's see. This one here is from Marion. And look how pretty this is. And she is from Minnesota. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love this card. Thank you so much. That is so pretty. Alright, I am going to, and I save all my cards, you guys know, because I will reuse cards for all kinds of things. Now, this one here, I already did peek at all these because, I can't not. This is from, let me see, let me get it open here. Michael and Cindy. Sorry, I'm just reading inside it. Oh, thank you so much. Look how pretty that is. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did finally get all my cards. It's just been terrible, 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 terrible. Now this one here is from Pam. And where are we from? Arizona. Look how cute this is. I love homemade cards. They're so cute. I did not get to make one card this year. I just did not ever find the time to do that. She put that on the back there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Alright, and then I have one more here. This is from Angela. There's another beautiful card. Look how she layered all the, whoops, I'm going to ruin it here. How she layered all these snowflakes and the ice skates. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Look, I have to show the inside. I don't like usually don't like to show what everybody wrote, but look how pretty that is. Love it. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for the cards. Like I said, I am so sorry that they are so late. I wouldn't be surprised if I still get some cards. Okay, my husband did pick this one up today. Actually, both of these packages he picked up from the post office for me, because I have not even made my way over that. Parking lot's usually a nightmare. Now, she told me to open this envelope first here and read this to you guys. So, of course I had to see what it said. And this is from Deborah. And she wrote this cute little thing here that says, kindness is free. It says, kindness can go a long way. Just wanted to share a special thought with you. You never know what someone is going through. Kindness is free. There is many ways to show kindness. Please believe in these two things. You're stronger than you may imagine, and you are never alone. And always remember, it's better to give than to receive. And it says, here are a few ways that you can show kindness to someone. Just hold the door, give a thumbs up, say either hi, goodbye, have a nice day. If someone is hungry, give them foods. Send a thinking of you card. Pay for someone to have a meal. Pay for someone's groceries, or help them to carry their groceries. Pay it forward. That's very, very good words right there. Thank you, Deborah. That's very nice. And then she sent me this in this card here from the Massachusetts Teachers Association. Oh, that's pretty cool. That was very nice. And then she sent me some goodies in here. I did not open these yet. I actually tried to be good. I probably should have, though, because I didn't realize how well you had these wrapped up. But I'm excited to open these. Let's see here what you found. I've been trying to find these every Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree I went to this week, did not have any of these. So far, I've only been in one Dollar Tree that I found them in. So this is exciting. And these are all the really cool cutouts that they have now at Dollar Tree. This one says Inspire. And this one says Love. And you get 3 pieces in each one of these. And these are really nice. Thank you so much. Like I said, these are hard to find. If you see them and you think you might want them, don't hesitate, because you won't find them next time. That's the luck I've been having. Look at these with the pretty flowers and the stars. And there's butterflies. These are really pretty. I love the butterflies. And the hearts. This is the one. I've only found 1 pack of these in all the Dollar Trees I've been at, and I already used them. So thank you so much. I am so happy to have another pack of the hearts. Well, thank you so much, Deborah. That was very sweet of you. Yeah, put my little goodies over here. Okay, now in this one here, let me pull this out and get rid of this, because I tend to flip these things over when I'm talking, and I don't want to give away anybody's address. She sent me this little bag of goodies. This is so nice. And there's a card here. Oh, look at the card she made. She knows I love my parrots. I don't have anything quite that big, but I do have an Amazon. He's big enough. It says, hello, friend. Sorry, just reading this real quick. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, she used to raise zebra finches and singing canaries. Canaries are really pretty when they sing. It is just amazing. Thank you so much. That is so nice. And then look at this, a goofy frog. I love my goofy frogs. Look, I can give this guy over here a friend. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Let's sit him up there for now. I won't leave him there because I'll end up getting paint on him or something. Oh, look at this cute heart with the frog on it. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, thank you so much. That is just so sweet. I have a bunch of goodies up here. I know they're off camera, but I can't have everything out here that other people have made me too. And I just love these little things. There's a little bookmark to Jody from Lynn with more frogs and things on it. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, and this, look at this magnet. That's pretty too. It's a butterfly magnet. Thank you. Look at these frogs. They all got little googly eyes. Aren't they adorable? And they're dimensional stickers. Oh, I love those. Thank you. in here. Oh, there's so many. Let me pull all these goodies out of here. Oh, look at these little guys in here. Little bunnies. And they're like, got adhesive on the bottom. Oh, those are so cute. They're like little wooden bunnies. Oh, they're adorable. Here's a little blue one. Oh, those are so cute. And here's the little chicks and little bunnies. Oh. Oh, look at these cute little boxes. Oh, and she decorated up these cute little boxes. Oh, those are really nice. Look at that. You just pop them open, and then you have like a little goodie box. Oh, that's so cute. What a great idea. I was going to do a DIY the one day. I found some of these boxes somewhere, and I thought, oh, well, that would be a cute idea, and I don't even think I ever picked them up. But this is really a cute idea. Oh, look, she gave me extra ones. I don't have to pick any up. Oh, these are like, look like almost like a baby bottle you could do for a baby shower, but like you did, you could change this up for anything. Oh, that's great. I love that. Thank you so much. And this one's got a little sheep on there. Oh, and napkins. You guys know I love my napkins. Oh, look at these cute bunny napkins. Thank you. Here's some with the birdies on it. Hummingbirds. Thank you so much. Here's another Happy Easter. Oh, I'm excited about the next one here too. Nope, not the next. Yeah, it is the next one. Look at that. And then on the backs, they're different. That's always nice too. You know, for decoupaging and things. Let me open this up. Yeah, it has the same on the inside too. These are really pretty. Thank you. Now these little guys, I love anything with a whole bunch of little things on here. Excuse me, because I like to decoupage like those little votive candles and things. And a lot of things are just way too big. This will be absolutely perfect. I love this. Thank you so much. And don't get into mischief. Look at that. These are really pretty napkins. Oh, the backs are like striped. Oh, and look at this, another one with the little things on them. I love these. It's amazing. You can just take like one napkin to do decoupage, and you can make so many things out of this, just this one napkin that has all these different little things you can cut out and decoupage onto things. And I love that little bunny there smelling the flower. This one's definitely going on one of my Easter decoupaging projects. Love this. I don't think I have anything with any little prints for Easter. I have a lot of big ones, but this is really good. Thank you so much. I am very excited about especially that last napkin. But thank you so much, Lynn. That was so nice of you to send me all these little goodies. I really do appreciate it. So that is it. I just wanted to share with you guys all the really nice things that were sent and my cards, and just give a big thank you to you guys so much. It's not necessary. Really, no one has to send me a thing, but it was just so sweet. So thank you so much, everybody, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.